Opening shot of a person typing on a computer with the title How to Use ChatGPT to Generate Passive Income. Voiceover, welcome to our tutorial on using ChatGPT to generate passive income. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you automate a variety of tasks and earn money while you sleep. In this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a passive income stream. Cut to footage of the person typing on the computer. Voiceover, one way to use ChatGPT to generate passive income is by automating your content creation. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, product reviews, or even complete books. By using ChatGPT to write your content, you can save a lot of time and focus on other aspects of your business. Once you have your content, you can monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even selling it as a product. Cut to footage of the person setting up a website. Voiceover, another way to use ChatGPT to generate passive income is by optimizing your website's content for search engines. ChatGPT can help you create high-quality, SEO-friendly content that will attract more traffic to your site. This can lead to more ad revenue, affiliate sales, or even e-commerce sales. Additionally, by using ChatGPT to optimize your website's content, you can increase your search engine rankings and reach a wider audience. Cut to footage of the person typing on the computer. Voiceover, ChatGPT can also help you with personalizing email marketing campaigns, by creating personalized email content that will increase the chances of your recipients engaging with your emails and ultimately making a purchase. Personalization is key when it comes to email marketing, and by using ChatGPT to personalize your emails, you can increase your open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately conversions. Cut to footage of the person typing on the computer. Voiceover, ChatGPT can also help you generate engaging posts for your social media accounts, by creating personalized posts that will increase the chances of your followers engaging with your posts, and ultimately, making a purchase. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses, and by using ChatGPT to generate engaging posts, you can increase your social media following, and ultimately drive more traffic to your website. Cut to footage of the person typing on the computer. Voiceover, another way to use ChatGPT to generate passive income is by using it for transcription and translation services. ChatGPT can transcribe audio and video files quickly and accurately, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Additionally, ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another, which can help you expand your business globally. By offering transcription and translation services, you can generate a passive income stream. Cut to footage of the person typing on the computer. Voiceover, ChatGPT can also help you with copywriting, by creating high-converting copy that will increase the chances of your visitors making a purchase. Copywriting is crucial when it comes to conversions, and by using ChatGPT to write your copy, you can increase your conversion rates and ultimately generate more revenue. Cut to footage of the person typing on the computer. Voiceover, so there you have it. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you generate passive income in a variety of ways. Whether you're a blogger, an e-commerce store owner, a marketer, or just looking for a way to make some extra money, ChatGPT can help you automate your tasks and earn money while you sleep. Click link in description for Learn ChatGPT.